The latest collection of outdoor patio ideas, 2023. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore the beauty of outdoor living with our latest collection of outdoor patio ideas, 2023. Transform your outdoor space into a paradise with our curated selection of stylish and functional patio designs. Whether you have a spacious backyard, a cozy balcony, or a small terrace, we've got inspiring ideas to suit every space and style. In this video, we'll take you on a visual journey through the hottest trends and innovative concepts in outdoor patio design for 2023. Discover chic furniture arrangements, breathtaking landscaping ideas, and creative decor tips that will elevate your outdoor oasis to new heights. What you'll find in this collection: trendy patio furniture sets, cozy outdoor lounge spaces, stylish dining areas, creative lighting solutions, stunning garden landscapes, DIY decor projects, and much more. Get ready to be inspired and learn how to create the perfect outdoor retreat for relaxation, entertainment, and quality time with family and friends. Whether you're a design enthusiast or just looking for practical ideas, our latest collection of outdoor patio ideas 2023 has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on home and garden design. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video, so you never miss out on the latest trends and tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey to transform your outdoor space into a haven of style and comfort. Let's make your patio dreams come true in 2023.